Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish tea. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh fish, like snapper or kingfish, along with your preferred vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, and okra. Don't forget the essential seasonings: salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. Have a large pot ready for cooking. Now, let's prepare the main components. Carefully clean your fish, ensuring all scales and entrails are removed. Then, cut the fish into 2-inch pieces. This size helps it cook evenly and infuse the tea with flavor. Next, dice your vegetables into 1-inch cubes. This uniform size ensures everything cooks perfectly together, adding texture and nutrients to your delicious fish tea. It's time to cook. Bring about 6 cups of water to a rolling boil in your large pot. Once boiling, carefully add your prepared fish pieces and diced vegetables. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, cover the pot, and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. This slow simmer allows all the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and aromatic broth. Almost done, now for the final touches. Season your fish tea generously with salt and black pepper to your liking. Add a fresh squeeze of lime juice. It truly brightens the entire dish. Stir everything gently to ensure the seasonings are well distributed. Your delicious, homemade fish tea is now ready to be served hot. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.